Welcome aboard the BioTrends, humanity's latest leap into the cosmos. Today, a group of brave space tourists is ready to embark on an extraordinary journey, leaving Earth behind to explore the wonders of the universe. As the spacecraft ascends through the atmosphere, the vast expanse of Earth slowly fades from view. From the deep blue oceans to the swirling clouds, our home planet becomes a distant memory, giving way to the boundless space ahead. Now, in the weightlessness of space, the tourists are filled with awe and excitement. They gaze out at a canvas of stars, nebulae, and distant planets, each one a world of possibilities. In this moment, the universe feels both infinite and intimately close. Meanwhile, outside the spacecraft, astronauts conduct a crucial extravehicular activity. Secured by tethers, they inspect the ship, ensuring everything is ready for the adventures that lie ahead. Their dedication keeps the journey safe and the mission on course. And now, the moment they've all been waiting for, a chance to leave the confines of the ship and float freely in the vastness of space. Surrounded by the glow of distant stars and the majesty of nearby planets, these pioneers experience a profound connection with the cosmos, a journey beyond the imagination. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage. The universe is vast, and this is just the beginning. Stay curious and keep exploring the stars.